Hello guys, and thanks for watching DIY Artist Hacks. The hacks in this video are very cheap, or can be made from everyday household items. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 drill hacks that are sure to save you in the studio. Those of us who are artists, or even woodworkers, always run into that annoying sawdust that we get whenever we drill holes into wood or saw. And not to mention, the pain it is to clean up. In this hack, I'm going to show you a simple way to save you on all the mess. All you're going to need for this is a plastic cup and tape. Place your plastic cup underneath the area that you're going to drill your hole in and simply tape it. Easy, right? All there's left to do is start drilling. And this is sure to save you in the studio. Have you ever needed to drill a hole, but you don't have a drill bit? No worries. All you're going to need for this DIY is a simple screw. This DIY only works for small holes. When choosing your screw, make sure that it's long enough to fit through the wood that you're going to be drilling your hole through. You're also going to need a drill. Begin drilling your screw through the wood. And now you have a hole. Flip your wood over and do the same for the next side. All complete? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out my website at www.etsy.com/shop/Leawayartisans. Follow me on Instagram at bnwart_Leaway or on my Twitter at Leawayartisans.